The Paris Climate Change Agreement still provides us with our best hope to persevere over the dire climate threat to the Earth. The global response remains critical. We must resist the temptation to backpedal toward fossil fuels and instead accelerate the green transition. This is particularly important following the most recent COP30 UN climate conference held in Belém, Brazil, just recently, where regrettably, due to the lack of consensus, fossil fuel-related expressions were removed from the outcome document. We especially need enhanced initiative and effort for the spheres of climate mitigation, adaptation, and finance to implement the UN global goals, limit temperature rise, preserve biodiversity, and protect our planet. And every fraction of a degree matters greatly. However, when the United States left the Paris Climate Change Agreement in 2017 and later rejoined during the time of President Biden, however, President Trump had decided during his second term to withdraw from the Paris Climate Change Agreement. This is very regrettable.